大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Hey, welcome back. I'm Miss Kaka. 我是佳佳老师。Today we're continuing our journey through the 24 solar terms from where we last left off. If this topic is new to you, be sure to watch my previous video about 立春 for a brief introduction. Let's dive in. The book is 我们的节气 compiled by 杨洋兔 and published by 泰山出版社。每年大寒都在1月20或21日。大寒 usually falls on either January the 20th or 21st each year. 今天是1月20日，所以今年大寒在1月20日。This year, 大寒 is on January the 20th. 寒来暑往，在积雪与冰冻中，我们迎来了24节气中的最后一个节气大寒。这是我国一年中天气最寒冷的时候，河面冻得结结实实，白雪经久不化。寒 literally means cold. It indicates winter here. 暑 summer. 积雪 accumulated snow. 冰冻 freezing. 迎来 to welcome. 河面 the surface of river. 冻 to freeze. 结结实实 solid and firm. 经 to last. 久 long. 经久 long lasting. 化 to melt. As winter arrives and summer departs, amidst accumulated snow and freezing temperatures, we welcome the last solar term of the 24 solar terms, 大寒. This is the coldest time of the year in our country, with the river surface frozen solidly and firmly, and the white snow lasting for a long time. 忙碌了一年的人们这时开始休养生息，而且我们要开始准备新年了。忙碌 busy, 休养生息 rest and recuperate, 准备 to prepare.People who have been busy throughout the year begin to recuperate during this period. Moreover, we need to start preparing for the new year. Just like all other solar terms and festivals, 大寒 also comes with its own traditional customs. 吃消寒糕，买年货。扫尘 and 祭灶节。吃消寒糕，消寒 to ward off the chill, 糕 cake.俗话说小寒大寒无风自寒，我国自古以来有大寒吃糯米驱寒的传统，古时候叫食糯，今天北京等地叫吃消寒糕。自 of its own 自以来 from since 糯米 sticky rice 驱寒 to ward off the chill 传统 tradition 食 to eat 等 etc 地方 place。As the saying goes, 小寒 and 大寒 coldness comes with wind. Since ancient times in China, there has been a tradition of eating glutinous rice to dispel the cold, known as 食糯 in ancient times, and 吃消寒糕 in places like Beijing today. 消寒糕是年糕的一种，因为糯米比大米的含糖量高，所以有温风散寒、润肺健脾的功效。种 type be than 含糖量 sugar content 温风散寒。Warm wind disperses cold, 润肺健脾 moisten the lungs and invigorate the spleen. 功效 effect. 消寒糕 is a type of rice cake, and because glutinous rice has a higher sugar content than regular rice, it is believed to have the effects of dispelling cold, warming the body, moistening the lungs, and invigorating the spleen. 买年货 年货 festive goods. 过了大寒又是一年，大寒一到春节就不远了，人们开始忙着赶集买年货。过 to pass 又 again 依旧 as soon as 赶集 to go to a market fair. After 大寒 another year begins. Once 大寒 arrives, the spring festival is not far away. People start bustling around, going to markets and buying New Year's goods. 各种蔬菜、肉类、鱼类、水果，还有小孩子们喜欢吃的糖果、零食都准备一点，丰衣足食过新年。类 category 糖果 candy 零食 snack 一点 is used as a measure word which means some 丰衣足食 plenty to wear and enough to eat 过 to celebrate various vegetables meats fish fruits and the sweets and snacks that children love are all prepared to ensure an abundant and festive new year 扫尘扫 to sweep 尘 dust 扫尘 to clean 马上要过年了，家家户户还有一项重要工作，扫尘，也就是大扫除。春节之前，人们会把房间里里外外都清扫一遍，寓意除旧迎新，扫去不祥。马上 right away， 家家户户 every household， 像 measure word for work 重要 important 大扫除 thorough cleaning 之前 before 会 will 把 is a preposition which is used before an object to modify the verb, which is called 把 sentence. It indicates an action is applied to somebody or something with the emphasis that the action will bring out a result or influence. 清扫 to clean 变 is a measure word. Once 寓意 symbolic meaning 除 to remove 迎 to welcome 除旧迎新 out with the old in with the new, often used to express the spirit of starting afresh or embracing change. Chinese New Year is approaching, and in every household, there is an important task sweeping away the dust, also known as a thorough cleaning. Before the Spring Festival, people clean every nook and cranny of their homes, symbolizing the removal of the old to welcome the new, and sweeping away any unfavorable energies.焕然一新的房间，春节的时候贴上春联福字也会更加亮堂喜庆。焕然一新 refresh 贴 to stick 春联 couplets 更加 even more 亮堂 bright 喜庆 festive with the rooms refreshed people decorate them with couplets and characters symbolizing good fortune during the spring festival creating a brighter and more festive atmosphere. 祭灶节祭 to worship 灶 stove 祭灶节 which is kitchen god festival 在我国北方农历腊月23是祭灶节也就是俗称的小年过去灶神被视为一家的保护神北方 the northern part 农历 Chinese calendar 腊月 December in Chinese calendar俗称 commonly known as 过去 in the past. A. It's the identifier of passive voice, which is used before the verb. In passive voice sentences, the subject is acted upon by some other performer of the verb. 视为 to treat as 保护 to protect. 保护神 protective deity. In the northern part of our country, December the 23rd in Chinese calendar is the kitchen god festival, also known as 小年 Little New Year. In the past, the kitchen god was regarded as the household's guardian. 传说小年这天灶神会前往天庭汇报一家人的情况，所以人们在神位前摆好各种瓜果、食物等贡品恭送灶神。传说 legend 前往 to go to 天庭 heavenly court 汇报 to report 情况 situation 神位 shrine 摆好 to set well 贡品 offerings 恭送respectfully send off. According to legend, on this day, the kitchen god would go to the heavenly court to report on the family's situation. Therefore, people arrange various fruits and food offerings in front of the deity's shrine to respectfully send off the kitchen god. We've finally gone through this book together, getting to know all the 24 solaceums. Meanwhile, as the year comes to an end, we are gearing up to welcome our own new year, shopping for festive goods, getting new clothes, and doing some cleaning. How about joining in the Spring Festival celebrations too? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more content. 谢谢观看，再见。